We will try samgyeopsal here sa Cebu City. So let's see. Hala, tokboki. Hapsay. Nahan. Walay names. So guys, mani ako ang food. Fried kimbap. Halang tayo.
This is the sauce.
It's the sauce. It's spicy.
Yes.
Halang, Miss Girl. Halang na siya. Wow, so yummy.
Put some pork, then sauce. Ano siya sauce?
Hi guys, may talamig coffee shop.
So, patagi ang panglimang.
I am now editing our vlog in Cebu and hindi ko kasi siya na-end but it was a great experience. Mahilig kasi ako sa Korean novela and then nakikita ko kung paano sila kumakain doon and that's why I have an idea of how kung paano siya kainin and the food na naandun. Alam ko yung mga names nila. So, yun, first time kong nakita, kaya sobrang saya ako na naka-experience ako ng samgyeopsal in Cebu. So, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and the bell notification on the side so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye! God bless everyone!